let's be honest, summer hikes can be a sweaty affair. We've all experienced those moments when the blazing sun beats down on us and our bodies start longing for a refreshing breeze. Well, we've been hitting the trails lately and we stumbled upon this little gadget called the ChillGo Neck Fan, which felt like a good solution to hike in this summer heat. Well, we recently ordered a couple of neck fans from Amazon to find a solution, but this one seemed to be unique. So we felt it was worth sharing our experience with the ChillGo Neck Fan. Now, first impressions matter, and the ChillGo Neck Fan did not seem like anything fancy. It arrived in a simple box with this USB-A to USB-C cable for charging. No unnecessary frills, just the essentials. We unfolded the neck fan and the hinges felt smooth and the build quality was sturdy. Here are two buttons, one for turning it on and controlling the fan speed, and another one controls these two motors behind. If we talk about the cooling capabilities, it has 3 customizable cooling levels which helped us to find a perfect chill zone. Thanks to these 4 air outlets and 4 turbine motors inside, our experience was quite pleasant. Like seriously, this thing increases the air volume by almost 90%. In just 3 seconds, we could feel the temperature dropping. It felt like having a portable air conditioner right here on our necks. However, we did notice one potential improvement that could enhance comfort during longer hikes: additional padding. It would definitely make the whole experience a lot better. We think comfort and adjustability are crucial when it comes to wearable gadgets, and the ChillGo Neck Fan checks those boxes too. Its foldable design made it portable, and we were glad to see how easily it fit into our backpacks without taking up much space. When it came time to wear it, the horizontal and vertical adjustability options allowed us to find the perfect angle, and yes, we could also rotate this vent portion to find the sweet spot during our activity. Now, let's talk about one of the key aspects we found helpful is its battery life. Equipped with the 5200 mAh rechargeable battery, this fan went on for quite a while. Wavemill claims it can deliver up to 12 hours of operation on a single charge. On average, we managed to get around 10 hours of usage from the ChillGo Neck Fan, which is still quite good considering the cooling power it provides. It's important to note that the battery life can be influenced by factors such as the selected cooling level and the intensity of the fan speed. As expected, higher fan speeds tend to consume more power, resulting in slightly shorter battery life. During our hikes, we found that opting for a lower cooling level helped us strike a good balance between maintaining comfort and maximizing battery longevity. But yeah, it's worth mentioning that the actual battery life will also vary based on external conditions like ambient temperature. Now, let's get real for a moment. While the ChillGo Neck Fan is a fantastic companion for hot hikes, it's not entirely flawless. While the fan does offer customizable cooling levels, we did notice a trade-off between fan speed and noise. At lower fan speeds, the ChillGo Neck Fan operated quietly. It was good enough for those moments when we wanted subtle yet refreshing airflow during our hikes. We could still engage in conversations with others without any kind of interference from the fan's noise. However, when we cranked up the fan speed to the highest setting, we noticed a significant increase in noise. While the powerful airflow did provide intense cooling, it did come at the cost of a louder fan noise. It wasn't unbearably loud, but it was noticeable, especially in quieter surroundings. It's worth mentioning that this trade-off between fan speed and noise level is not unique to the ChillGo Neck Fan. In our experience with other neck fans as well, we observed a similar pattern where the higher fan speeds tended to generate more noise. So we'd recommend sticking to the lower to medium fan speeds if you prefer a quieter experience. In terms of our hiking adventures, the ChillGo Neck Fan surely enhanced our overall experience. Whether we were going through steep inclines or taking leisurely walks, this fan kept us feeling fresh and energized. Now to conclude, after weeks of hiking and backpacking with the ChillGo Bladeless Neck Fan, we can say that it's a good option for staying cool on the trails. It has a foldable design, the construction was sturdy, and the hinges were durable. Despite the trade-offs like the absence of padding and some noise at maximum settings, which is typical in neck fans, the ChillGo proves to be a worthy companion for conquering the scorching summer heat. Overall, if you're looking for something to brave the summer heat, the ChillGo is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. Feel free to reveal your thoughts in the comment section down below and share this video if you find the review to be helpful. And to know more about outdoor products, reviews, and buying guides, you can visit our website at gooutdoorzone.com.